Hello everyone, and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's video is all about Chanel. I am so excited to share with you my Chanel haul. I picked everything up within the past week, and spoiler alert, no handbags, at least not in this video, but beautiful, beautiful items. Therefore, if you're interested in Chanel unboxing, stay with me. The first items are right here, and they are 1 and 2, beautifully packed. And let's go ahead and get them unboxed. I was not particularly looking for these, but anytime I see this item in a colorway that I like, I pick it up. So let's see, right here is the receipt. And we have our little pouch. Oh, good. She left me all the information, which is so helpful. This particular item is from the 23K collection. To reveal this beautiful, beautiful card holder. It is in caviar leather. It is a light pink color, which, as you know, I absolutely love. And it has white and pink crystals in the CCs. Let me go ahead and open it so you can get a better look. The interior of these has a large compartment and then a slip pocket in the front. And I find that these are the most convenient card holders. If you don't want to use a wallet, this is really, really great for your small purses. And I just thought this one was particularly beautiful. This one does not have the Mona Lisa pocket in the back. However, I just loved the CCs, and I'm not sure, hopefully you can see the color there. It is a little bit of I wouldn't say it's iridescent. That may just be the lights. But the front right here has the crystals in white and pink. And I absolutely fell in love with it and picked this one up from the 23K collection. All right, let's move on to the next one right here, also with its beautiful packaging and its box, receipt. They both, of course, came with their little other information. And any guesses? Can you tell what this is? This one is the card holder. Also, it is just in the pink caviar. It has the gold hardware in the front. And this one is from the 23K collection also. The difference is this one does have the Mona Lisa pocket in the back that I absolutely love. And the interior is going to be exactly the same. The one compartment and then the slip pocket. And I have a few of these. I absolutely love them. Before we go on to the next item, if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the video. And if you do, I hope that you will click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you can find out every time I upload a new video. Whether you're new or you've been here for a while, if you're wondering why are you purchasing 2 pink card holders, well, if you've been here a while, you know why. I love pink. If you're new, you're just finding out. But the other reason is this. Anytime I can pick one of these up that I love, I will do so because the price on the resale market for these items is really ridiculous. I looked on Fashion File and a pink iridescent one or a pink caviar one was $975, and that is crazy. Therefore, if I see it at the boutique and I love it, I buy it. And the piece of resistance, this is the item that I really, really was looking for. I had texted my Nordstrom essay and I had shown her a picture once I saw this on the runway, and I said, I want this. And I've been following up and nothing. So eventually I called someone else from the Saks boutique and I asked her if she could get me this. And I am so excited to share it with you and actually to really admire it myself, because I picked it up and I have not looked at it since I got her. So let's go ahead and open this one up. And this one is just super, super pretty. And this is the receipt. This one is from the fall winter 2023 collection. Comes in a velvet pouch. Any guesses? And let me just, it has the little booklet. And to reveal, let me, hang on. Oh. This beautiful, beautiful necklace. I saw this on the runway and I knew I wanted to get this piece. Let me show you close up. And let me just make sure. Yeah, it's from 20, everything is from 23K, so everything is fall winter. So this is what it looks like. It has the gold tone chain with the, let me show you, with the CCs at the end. The gold tone chain, 2 pearls on either side, and then the beautiful flower medallion, gold, black, and pink. Absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. And I'm actually going to try it on. And this is how it looks on. It is adjustable. Therefore, you can obviously wear it lower, or I could actually even probably tighten a little bit more. But yeah, I am super, super happy with this piece and really, really excited I was able to get it. And now for the rest of the haul, get ready. They're not going to be in Chanel bags. I got 2 at Nordstrom and 2 at Saks. And let's start with what I picked up at Nordstrom's. And this is the box. And this may give you an idea of what I got. Let's open this up. Receipt. And told you I went a little crazy. Inside, you already have a very good idea of what these are. Put the box over here. Let me get them out of the dust bag. And here they are. These are the Mary Janes in the beige and black. They have the grosgrain in the front with the CCs, the lambskin leather in beige. They have the CCs in gold at the bottom of the heel. And I'm going to measure the heel in case you are interested in knowing how tall they are. Now, these are platforms, so they should be very comfortable. And this looks to be like a 3.5. It's a 3.5 heel. And as you can see, it's got the platform right over here. Therefore, they should be very, very comfortable. And I love platforms, of course. At my age, I've seen platforms come and go, but they are very, very comfortable. So I'm excited that the platform situation is still going on. So yes, I picked up these beautiful Chanel shoes. Stay with me now. I've got 3 more to go, and I need your opinion on one for sure. Next one. Here we go. Are we seeing a pattern of what I'm going to do here? Take everything out. And I'm sorry I can't, these are too heavy for me to try and really hold them up for you until I get them out of the box. But you're free to guess, what the heck, Isabel, did you pick up? To reveal these beauties right here. And these are called the ankle boots. Leave it to Chanel to have such unoriginal names. And these are from the 23B collection. They have the quilted leather in the front and the nothing right here on the toe. A beautiful turn lock CC in the front. And is it, let's see if it's working or not. I think it's a, let me see. Let me see if it's stationary. Oh no, it's a working turn lock. Look at that. So it's a working turn lock in the front, gold hardware, and a really comfortable heel. Now, what I love about these, of course, they're very beautiful, but I also love the fact that it has this elastic insert on both sides, making this booty very, very easy to slip on and off. So yes, I picked these beauties up, and you all know I live in South Florida where it never gets cold. So I'll be wearing them 75 degrees, and this, yours truly, is going to be wearing her boots. Also, these are available in burgundy black combination, which was stunning. However, I figured it's a little more practical just to go ahead and get the black ones. They're going to match with everything. These came from Saks. They're also from the 23B collection, and I saw them and decided just to pick them up. Not exactly anything I was truly looking for. However, I do think that the Slingbacks are one of the most comfortable shoes that Chanel makes. And I thought these were very, very cute. And here we are. These are the blue jean Slingbacks. Let me take this off so you can see a little better. And this is what it looks like. It has the blue jean with the CCs. And it's got the, is this silver? Silver CC on the bottom of the heel, and true to size for me. And I thought these are super, super cute. I can wear them to work. I can wear them on the weekend. They are really, really cute. And I love the Slingbacks that I have. Therefore, I went ahead and picked these up also. What do you think? Do you like these? Give me your thoughts. I'll go ahead and post photos on my Instagram, and I'll show you how I'm going to style them. And I'll probably do a video in a couple of weeks because I'm traveling next week for work. However, I did want to go ahead and unbox everything for you. And this one in particular, I do need your opinion. I am not sure if I should keep these. Therefore, let's open them up. They're also from the 23B collection. And this is how they came. And I'm just not sure about it. I mean, I think they're nice, but this is something I personally don't wear a lot of, and I really want to hear your thoughts to reveal these right here. Again, leave it to Chanel. They're called the Sneakers, dark gray, and they are suede calfskin and knit. And this is what they look like. It's got the CCs there. Let me just show you one so I can more easily. So this is the side. So this is like a sock. This is the knit. It's very easy to get in and out of. This is suede. This is suede. This is all knit. It's got the CC right here. And is your opinion. They're very comfortable. And in this is the only shoe in Chanel that I've had to size up on. So this is a 37.5. I'm a 37 everywhere. I'm a 7 US, and I'm a 37 in all of my shoes, whether they are Manolos, Valentinos, or Chanel. This one, I took a 37.5. It's a sneaker. The 37 fit me exact. My toe was right here. And when you start, if you use them to walk a lot, I didn't want to have that. So I took 37.5. They're a little bit big. But I figured, you know, no one wants to be uncomfortable. Oh, it says Chanel here in the back also. But what do you think? What do you think? This sneaker came in this combination and a very light combination that I opted out of, because I have some light colored sneakers, plus I figured I don't need them to get dirty. But I'm not sure about these, and I don't know if I should return them. Not because I don't think they're pretty, but I'm just not sure if I'm gonna get the use out of these. What do you think? I really would like to hear your thoughts on these so that I can make my decision. All right, my friends, that was my Chanel haul. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I will see you soon. There is something else coming from Chanel, but it probably will arrive early next week. And if I have time to unbox it and share with you, I will. If not, it'll have to be in about a week and a half, because I am going to be traveling. Other than that, bye. See you in the next one.